KP. So that's knowledge of results and knowledge of performance. And one of the things is, well, that felt good, but why did the ball go left or why did the ball go right? And a lot of that is, well, once again, we talked about alignment earlier and what hits the ball. Well, this determines a lot about where the ball's going, right? Where your face is. So you got these two tees set up, okay? The idea behind this is a good drill for you for ball striking, but it also can tell you a lot of things. If you're hitting a lot of balls for y'all that go to the right, which would be like a push or a cut, and you're kind of wondering, a lot of that could be caused by that club coming on the outside of the ball, so I would be striking that outside tee. Now I missed the tee, but you can see I came from the outside and that ball went left. Also, if you're starting to see the ball maybe for y'all go left or for me to go right, be a hook or a pull or a draw, you see maybe that club is coming a little bit too inside, and I'd strike that inside tee. That tee's gone, and see that ball starts out left and starts hooking hard right. Okay? So that is one of the things, the results, you can kind of see. Club face angle has a lot to do with that, where the ball's going. Okay, so that's your results. Okay, so what's a good way to keep that ball from, going those different directions? We make this little gate, and if I can get on the same path, you'll see a lot of people do it with maybe 2 clubs or 2 alignment rods. We can put 2 of those down. Make some tracks. The tees is just a little bit smaller. Now this is just elongated, and you can stay on these tracks. You just follow these tracks from there to there. We should come back with a square cup place, much straighter ball flow. Okay. Now, when you talk about KP, that is more of what you're doing to influence the golf club, the backswing, where your arc is, all those things. So a lot of things we see is the club getting kind of back here. We see that a lot. Okay, and then, well, how do I recover? Okay. Well, if we put these tracks down, and once again we put these gates down, I've got something that I can follow that I want to hit. Okay, so that's good for your club path. Okay, these gates for follow right down there. And I actually bring the ball a little bit inside, so I hit that tee. So that's something I probably need to work on. It's coming from too far inside. Okay, you see the tee's gone. All right, and then another thing is follow through. And I see this with a lot of amateurs, and a lot of people I teach. Is there's no real extension through the ball. There's this move right here. As I come up, we finish like this, right? Finish on our back heels. So we want to think like, if there's a really good drill you can do at home, or if you're working out, you take a medicine ball, and you can feel like you're throwing it up against the wall. What are my arms doing? They're extending out this way, right? The same thing we want to do with a golf swing. When we get to here, I want to extend it here. See how everything stays extended, and then the club comes up naturally. We don't have to help the golf ball up. Right, there's plenty of loft, and this is designed well enough for the ball to go up on its own. Okay, so as you can see, if I get here and extend as opposed to here and flip up, if I do the first one where I flip up, the ball doesn't go very far. I'm just destroying that inside tee. I get here and I extend down and through the ball. Much better ball flight, crisper shot. You can see the difference. There's more power. The ball doesn't fall open. Now I actually get the actual yardage out of my 7-iron I'm looking for.